ReCap Pro introduces a new application home that aligns with the common Autodesk design used across other products in the AEC Collection, creating a more seamless and familiar experience for users. This update enhances the overall usability of the software by adopting a consistent interface structure, helping both new and experienced users navigate more efficiently. By matching the look and feel of tools like Revit and Civil 3D, ReCap Pro now feels more integrated with the Autodesk ecosystem, reducing the learning curve when switching between applications. In addition to visual consistency, the new application home also brings improved functionality through standardized UI options and workflows that mirror those found in other Autodesk products. Users will benefit from more intuitive access to recent files and key tools right from the main window. This consistency not only streamlines daily tasks, but also reinforces a unified product experience, making it easier for teams to maintain productivity when working across multiple Autodesk solutions. The Autodesk Assistant Tech Preview provides AI-powered guidance to help you work more efficiently in ReCap Pro. This tech preview provides early access to Autodesk Assistant capabilities currently under development. Through a conversational interface powered by Autodesk AI, you can ask questions about ReCap Pro features, troubleshoot design challenges, and access learning resources without leaving your workspace. You can provide additional context or refine your questions to receive summarized responses, step-by-step guides, and links to relevant learning documentation. And with the prompt library and chat history, you can easily review, save, and share prompts and responses to support project documentation. In ReCap Pro 2027, classifications can now be seamlessly transferred from the desktop environment into the mesh editor, creating a more connected and efficient workflow between point cloud processing and mesh-based editing. Once classifications are defined in the ReCap Pro workspace, those same structured categories are preserved and made available when working within the mesh editor. This means that objects or regions identified and classified on the desktop, such as walls, floors, utilities, and entire levels, can be directly recognized within the mesh environment without needing to reclassify them. As a result, users can continue refining, editing, or analyzing their mesh data while maintaining the same organizational structure and metadata established earlier in the workflow. Classification templates in the Template Manager in ReCap Pro 2027 introduce a more structured and scalable way to organize and standardize reality capture data. Within classification templates, users can define consistent categories for objects within their point clouds or mesh data, such as architectural elements, utilities, and other assets, ensuring that information is organized in a meaningful and repeatable way across projects. The Template Manager builds on this by providing a centralized place to create, manage, and reuse these templates. These templates can be easily imported and exported, making it simple to share them across teams, offices, or even external partners. In addition, support for IFC export allows this classification data to be carried into other workflows, ensuring that structured information from ReCap Pro can be shared and used seamlessly. ReCap Pro 2027 introduces an important enhancement to E57 support, addressing a common issue where scan rotation does not match image rotation, resulting in incorrectly oriented real views. This enhancement detects orientation mismatches during import and provides a new UI option that allows users to choose how to handle it. Users can either automatically align the scan and image orientations for a corrected view, or retain the original orientation as exported. ReCap Pro 2027 introduces improved point display density controls, giving users the ability to balance visual clarity and performance when working with large point cloud datasets. With adjustable density settings, users can increase point density for clearer, higher resolution visualization, especially when viewing data at longer distances, or reduce density to enable smoother, more responsive navigation. These enhancements create a more seamless and efficient viewing experience in the ReCap viewer. ReCap Pro now enables bidirectional synchronization of view states with ReCap Viewer and Forma data management, completing the loop between desktop and cloud workflows. Previously, users could publish view states from ReCap Pro for review, but any updates made in the ReCap Viewer remained disconnected, limiting the ability to bring feedback back from the cloud to desktop. With this enhancement, teams can create and share view states from ReCap Pro, review them in the cloud, and then sync newly created or refined view states back into the desktop environment. Annotations and scan group updates made in the ReCap Viewer inside Forma data management can also be synchronized locally. This streamlined workflow keeps project data aligned across environments, improves collaboration between teams, and ensures that review feedback is directly integrated into production, increasing overall efficiency.